welcome or welcome back to Zonchi TV. I am Tenzin. I make cozy vlogs, which I have not been making or uploading much, but we will get back to that. And I'm super passionate about stationery, skincare, and making cute things by hand. And today's video is all about the third part, which is crafting and making things by hand. I saw that Labubu thing, like the tiny bag charm or whatever, it was becoming really popular. I felt like I should make something out of it. So I saw that it is like quite expensive, and I thought I'll just punch myself a tiny, maybe a coaster or like a bag keychain kind of thing, bag charm. So this is what I came up with. I posted it on my Instagram and so many people liked it, and I was like, maybe I should make a video about it. And this was like an experiment test subject. In this video I'm going to make another one and show you how I did it. So yeah, let's get started. Found these images on Google, like in this illustration kind of thing, so I just took inspiration from that and came up with my own stencil like this. Okay, so this is my stencil, and I've just started using muslin. I usually use monk's cloth, and monk's cloth is like really thick, so it's really hard to trace anything on it, to be honest. So I like this format. I'm just taking my mild liner and lining everything. Okay, we're done with this. Now let's punch. So as you can see, these two are quite different in thickness, right? This is much thicker, so I'm going to use this as an outline, and places where I need like a darker line of black, while this one is going to fill like the eyes and ones where I don't need as thick black linings. So to make the lines a little bit like jagged, what I do is go over here and then like an alternate punch, so it does not look like a straight black line, and it gives a little bit of, you see, it's like a little bit of like this, and I think it gives like a tiny rough kind of shape to the outline for the Labubu. Now it looks a little bit scary, but I'm done with all the blacks. Now let's fill up the other things like the teeth, the eyes, and the cheeks and the ears. And then we're gonna move on to lastly to the main color of the Labubu. So yeah, let's get on with that. I know it looks a little wonky right now, but as you fill up the rest of the stuff, it's gonna look much better. So don't be scared by this fuzzy looking thing right now. I absolutely love making the cheeks. It's just so cute. It like comes to life when I add the pink here. So I am like at the end and I really want to focus on this part, so I'm just gonna do it by myself, like really focus on it, because I cannot really do that with the tripod filming everything. So yeah, let me get back. When I come back, this will be magically done. Okay, so I think I'm done with the punching part. Because these two yarns are different, it was just really annoying to separate this with the black one. So we're gonna finish it off. I'm gonna turn this into a keychain and send one of these to my friend because she requested one. So I am out of the glue stick in my glue gun, right? So that's why I don't think I can glue this one. Make do with what we have and we can do this later. See, I am left with this part. This was like so unplanned and last minute, this project, and I didn't keep into account the things that I might need. I added this cute heart-shaped claw clasp, and this can totally go on a bag. It is so cute and I can't wait to use this one. Yes, what do we think? Do we like this? Do you guys want to make this as well? Do you guys want to try it? I think it came out pretty cute, minus the finishing, but I learned a lot. And for the next Labubu, I think I'm gonna use the thicker black yarn over here, and I think it's adorable. I think it's cute. I want to make like a brown one. I think it's gonna be adorable. So what do you think? Should I make a neon one? I think neon green would be so cute and rad. I hope you enjoyed this video. That is it for today, and I'll see you in my next one. Toodles!